Look at the world below. We are bleeding time in a two-dimensional trap. The streets are the arteries of a dying century, clogged, exhausted, and suffocating. For 100 years, we've tried to fix the road. We built tunnels, we added lanes, we designed faster cars, but the grid remained. While the rest of the world is looking for a better car, China decided to build a new dimension. Welcome to the Sky Road. It is silent. It is unmanned. And in 2026, it is no longer a concept from a science fiction novel. It is the working backbone of the world's most advanced megacities. Let's decode the future. This isn't a helicopter. This is an eVTOL, the absolute apex of autonomous electric aviation. Inside these sleek, pressurized glass cockpits, there is no pilot, no steering wheel, and zero room for human error. Take a look at the EHang 216S. It doesn't rely on a single massive engine. It uses 16 independent rotors, powered by ultra-high-density energy cells. These are mass-produced iron birds governed by a central intelligence. They move with the elegance of a bird and the precision of a computer, erasing the boundary between architecture and aerospace. But the aircraft is only the hardware. The true miracle is what you cannot see. The digital ceiling. To manage a sky filled with thousands of unmanned vehicles, China has deployed a massive 5G, advanced communication sensing network. It turns the entire atmosphere into a giant, live motherboard. Every taxi, every skyscraper, and every automated delivery drone is constantly talking to the network. This ecosystem allows hundreds of vehicles to share the same airspace with millimeter precision. The sky is governed not by human air traffic controllers, but by the silent ghost in the machine. In the time it takes you to order a simple cup of coffee, you can now cross an entire metropolis. What used to be a 60-minute nightmare in ground traffic is now a 3-minute glide in the clouds. This is the death of distance. From urgent medical transport to elite executive commuting, the Sky Road is rewriting the rules of human civilization. It is an engineering flex that proves one thing: the future isn't coming. It has already landed. For the first time in history, the vertical city is a fully functioning reality. But this isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. What we are witnessing is an industrial evolution. Engineers have designed a whole ecosystem of these new species, each optimized for a specific mission. Some are pure multi-rotors, designed for the tight vertical corridors of a downtown district. Others use a lift and cruise design, with fixed wings that allow them to glide efficiently over longer distances between cities. We see modular designs where the flight pod can separate from a ground carrier, turning a car into a drone in seconds. Behind the luxury interiors of leather and glass lies a brutal commitment to safety. Every critical system has triple redundancy. From independent battery packs to emergency ballistic parachutes, these machines are built to be safer than the ground transport they are replacing. As the first public flight hubs open their doors, the question is no longer if we will fly, but when the rest of the world will follow. The sky is no longer a limit. It is the new frontier of human habitation. This is Project Plus 86. Would you trust a machine to fly you across the city? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to Decode the Blueprints of the East. We'll see you in the abyss.